What's going on, guys? Welcome back again. In today's video we'll discuss about why the market is dropping, and is this the last movement we can have in Bitcoin, or there is more coming. Simply, we have more bearish signals, but trust me, there is a golden condition called the three movements psychology. The three movements psychology is something very important you can understand. Elliott waves, Elliott waves based on the three impulsive waves. But trust me, Elliott wave and Ralph Nelson didn't tell you that the number three is important as a logarithmic number in the markets. So as you can see, there is the first condition here, the first one, the second, and the third. So I think now the markets will take the consolidation into another new trend. So if we really can do this thing by a simple steps, we can understand there is something hidden in the market. So what I mean by that? First of all, many traders or many investors, they said why Bitcoin drops today. Simply, if we hide, let's say, the candles here, you can see that there is the first condition here. It's another high. The second one, it's another lower high. Okay, it's a lower high. So there is another how can we say, the bearish trend, or a significant point to sign that there is more coming in the bearish side. So by simply touching the 10,000, okay, as a correct number. By the way, the correct numbers are very important, like the $1,000, the $2,000, the $3,000, let's say the $5,000, for example, the 10 and the 15,000 and the 20,000 and etc. And if you go back to the history of Bitcoin price movements and price behavior, you will see that the market actually drops, let's say, below by some cents or some pennies from resistance, for example 10,000, 20,000 and etc. For example, here, as you can see, allow me to explain to you. Okay, you can see that the market used the price 10,500. okay, so we have $10,025, okay, or 250, okay, and etc. So please be careful at these numbers, because the correct numbers are 100% a logarithmic one. So the, let's say, the whales, as you many people call around the world, the whales, I call it algorithmic or algorithms. They use this number and they are programmed at these levels. Okay, so if you go back to any, for example, 100% logarithmic manipulated cryptocurrencies, you will find that simply 100% this kind of numbers are the grids and the big supports and resistances. Okay, so till now everything is clear. Let's go back and see what happens today. Today we can see that the market drops, but trust me, the algorithms now will get to another new movement after the close of the markets. So if we close now, if we close higher than 9,500, trust me, there is more coming as a bullish side. If not, then there is another third, okay, another third candle, bearish candle, and we will go all around to 9,000, as we said, like we said, an algorithmic level and 100% powerful level, and you can benefit from it. So this is all for Bitcoin. There is nothing else we can talk about, only numbers and codes and something like that. This is what all the technology are based about. So the first top, and we can see that there is an impulsive bearish candles appears from the 10,000. So maybe we can have a 1,000 drop. If we broke today, like I said, if we didn't break, at least if we didn't break the 9,300, then maybe we have some chance that the market can go back to make another retest to the 9,500. If no, then there is a higher probability that the market will continue all the way to the $9,000. Simply, there is nothing else we can be afraid from, or something strange in the markets. Everything happens for a reason. And if you understand why the market do this action, simply you will get the reasons by simply asking yourself and asking your subconscious mind why. If you ask why, trust me, you will find answers by yourself. Okay, there is nothing else, and there is no need to seek informations from anybody else. Okay, as long as you have concentrations, you have your subconscious mind, you have the power and the ability to think, then everything is simple for you. So many questions from people why this happens. Simply because we have a bearish candle called bearish engulfing. I'm suggesting you to understand the bullish and bearish patterns, especially the bearish engulfing and the bullish one and the hammer and also the shooting star. So this is it. Bitcoin now is about to touch a support, as you can see, the Bollinger Band, also the 9,300. It's a powerful support and you need to be careful from. Also we have some good patterns. It's called the inside bars. Okay, 5 inside bars inside one, the mother candle here. Okay, so the nothing we can be afraid from. But we have when we talk about being or talk about fear, we talk about the levels. We must understand the level and we must seek for the exact levels. Okay, so what next? As you can see, there is the 9,000 and maybe the 8,500, something like this. Okay, as I already mentioned in this video, about the correct numbers are very important and so powerful, and you should take care about these numbers. And if you go back to the history and you trace a line in these numbers, you will find that actually they are supports, and they are also some beautiful, okay, beautiful prices that the algorithms pump or dump. Simple, nothing else we can be afraid from. So this is for the Bitcoin. What about the Ripple? Okay, as you can see, the Ripple now is in the support, the 0.25. okay, the 25 actually it's a powerful level, and I believe in this week maybe we can have some kind of movement, but please do not rush, because Ripple now have a great significant points, and maybe if it's done in the correct way, we can go back to the $0.5. If not, then there is another threat. What is this threat? Okay, simply it's the monthly chart here, as you can see. Okay, excuse me. Okay, like this. If you can see that the Ripple levels here, okay, are clear, and it goes in correlation with the Bollinger Band movements. So 0.33 or 0.35 are the resistances, and a great level to dump the price and sell off the price. So this movement here, all the way from the 0.17 to the 0.35, okay, by using some kind of calculations, by pointing or multiplying the low for the number 2, you will get the result of the next resistance. I will explain this into another new video, simply by a good calculations. So what happens now after the level appears here? We can understand that there is next movement will be so strong. How can you predict this? Simply by the candle. This candle here, it's let's say some kind of dump or some kind of looking forward to sell off the Ripple and something like this. So I think maybe we can wait the next month. Please be careful, because next month if we close like this candle, okay, like this one, I'm talking about the body form, if we close like this, then there is 100% probability that the market can dump again all the way to the 0.14 or 15. If not, then we can take care about the levels in 0.20. 0.20 is a force, it's a power, it's something great, it's something algorithmic in Ripple, and many people can buy at this level if you think so. So this is not a financial advice, I'm just helping you to get the point clear. So 0.20 is really a good support. If we break below it, so the 0.15, 0.14 will be the next level. So this is all for this video. Thank you very much for seeing this video. Also, I hope you can hit the like button. Also, subscribe to my channel if you like this content. If you encourage me, I can get more videos per day. And also I will get you some new lessons how you can identify the market conditions and how you can be a good trader using the technical analysis in the correct way, not like the other people teaching you. It's really something now outdated. Thank you very much. See you later.